Welcome to another episode of Tissues and Thinking Goals. So today we are going to be working on the prototype of what's mid-roll seat. So the problem I have with this particular seat is that when it's reclining back with this portion, it has a squeaky sound which I didn't like. It sounds like it's dry, it sounds like it's going to break every time. So I'm going to see how I can fix this, alright? So let's get to it. Okay, so there are actually 3 of these type of clips, so you need to unclip it using long nose pliers. Okay, now that we have removed the 3 clips over here, what we see is the motor that's on this side, and what I do see is, let me get my torchlight, there's the joint over there, and then there is a portion that's over here, and this portion is, I don't know whether you can see it, but it is pretty rusty. Okay, you can see some rust over there. So what I'll do is I'll spray WD-40, put this back, and see how it goes, okay? Okay, thank you. Alright, there you have it, guys. That's the end of this video. It's a very simple DIY. Doesn't cost much at all, just a bit of WD-40. And the seat is fixed. There's no more sound, as you can see. And yeah. Alright, so you'll probably be wondering whether or not you need to actually remove the seat from the car to do this DIY. Actually, no. You can actually access it from the back of the car underneath. It's just a bit tight, a bit inconvenient, but doable. So the reason why I take the seat out and do this DIY, 2 reasons. One of them is because it's easier to record that way. It's not as dark. If I were to do it, and the bottom there, it will be very dark. And number 2 is because I needed to convert the Alphard to a van mode, because I have to carry a couple of things, mainly 4x8 wood boards and a lot of wood for my next project, which I will show in this video, which I will show in my channel as soon as I get to it. Alright, okay, so that's it. If you like this video, it is. If you dislike it, you can always hit this, but do leave us a comment on how to improve further. And if you have not done so, make sure you hit the subscribe, make sure you hit the like and the bell button. And if you think your friend can actually benefit from this, hit the share as well. Alright? Till next time, I will see you again.